Namaste. Hello friends, my name is Dr. Pranjal Chaure. I am a homeopath practicing in Nagpur since 2011. Welcome to my YouTube channel about homeopathic books. In the videos on this channel, you will learn about various homeopathic books on different subjects. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon. And also don't forget to share it with your friends. So let's start with today's topic. Hello friends. Today's topic is homeopathic books on cardiovascular diseases. The first book is Valvular Disease of the Heart. This book is written by Dr. James Compton Burnett. Dr. J.C. Burnett was a renowned British homeopath. He is the author of many books. The topics included in this book are valvular disease of the heart from a new standpoint, some remarks on the blood, the relation of food and drink to the circulation, the organismic cycle of the water we drink, compensatory hypertrophy of the heart, supercompensation of the heart, case of mitral and aortic disease. The next book is Homeopathic Treatment of the Disease of the Heart by Jean Poirier. Dr. Jean Poirier is a renowned French homeopath. This book is translated by Dr. Rajkumar Mukherjee sir. The topics included are introduction, tachycardia, palpitation, menopause, great cardiac lesions, pericarditis with effusion, chronic pericarditis, the endocarditis, malignant infectious endocarditis, chronic endocarditis, chronic myocarditis, cardiac insufficiency, the incidence of the insufficiency of the left ventricle, and asystole. The next book is The Treatment of Certain Heart Conditions by Homeopathy. This book is written by none other than Dr. Douglas Morris Borland. He is an influential British homeopath. In 1908, he studied with Dr. James Tyler Kent in Chicago and he brought Kentian homeopathy back to England. This book contains 3 chapters. First is acute heart failure, next is chronic heart failure, and the last is angina and pseudoangina. The next important book is Diseases of the Heart by Dr. Edwin M. Hale. Dr. Edwin Hale is a renowned American homeopath. The second edition of this book was published in the year 1875. The lectures contained in this book were delivered before the class of Hahnemann Medical College, Chicago during the winter of 1870 to 71. The third edition was published in the year 1881. It consists of 478 pages. The book contains 6 parts. Part 1 includes functional disease of the heart. Part 2, inflammatory affections of the heart. Part 3, organic diseases of the heart. Part 4, materia medica of heart remedies. Part 5, repertory of heart symptoms. Part 6, miscellaneous papers on subjects relating to disorders of the heart. The next important book is A Complete Book on Cardiovascular System for Homeopaths. This book is written by Dr. Rajat Chattopadhyay. This book includes clinical medicine and materia medica, and also this book comes with a CD having normal and abnormal heart sounds with commentary. So you should definitely purchase this book. It is a very good book for the beginners. This book contains 3 parts: clinical part, disease part, and materia medica. Disease part contains congenital cyanotic heart disease, valvular heart disease, acute rheumatic fever, cardiac failure, arrhythmias and heart block, infective endocarditis, diseases of myocardium, diseases of pericardium, ischemic heart disease, and hypertension. The next booklet is Homeopathy in the Curing of Blood Pressure. This book is written by H. Thomas Cotter and Edith Lindley Cotter. They were both American homeopaths. This book was published in the year 1987. It contains introduction, when is it a problem, some causes of high blood pressure, no salt, homeopathic treatment for high blood pressure which includes 21 remedies, some personal experience, fatty heart, homeopathic advantages, combinations and practicality. The next book and important is Remedies of the Circulatory and Respiratory System by Dr. Fortier Bernoulli. As we all know, Dr. Fortier Bernoulli was a renowned French homeopath. This book was translated by Dr. Rajkumar Mukherjee sir. The book originally the titles of these articles were published as Drainage of Circulatory and Respiratory System. It was published in the year 1936-37. The book contains therapeutics of the circulatory and respiratory systems. A brief introduction on physiology of the systems has been given and its remedial management. The book also enlists appropriate medicines under the 4 basic temperaments with dosage hints, and also a topic on tonic cardiacs, dry and wet cough remedies, and general guidelines on both the systems is given. The next book is Blood Pressure, Etiology and Homeopathic Management. This book is written by Dr. N.K. Banerjee. Dr. Banerjee sir is a respectable homeopath from Bengal. His book contains topics on circulation, hypertension, hypotension, repertory and therapeutics, and the next chapter is Resume of the Theraps. This book discusses all the aspects from etiology, signs and symptoms, effects on different organs, investigation required, and management of hypertension or high blood pressure. The repertory and therapeutics section may be found to be a great advantage to busy practitioners in acute diseases. So, if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching the video.